friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Groceries and Things. This is my Tiny Tidy Tuesday. The host is the Helpful Home, and today I'm going to be working on cleaning out my hutch. It's got a lot of stuff in there that I don't need, don't use, I don't even open hardly ever, so it's time to clean it out and go through a lot of dishes that I use for tablescapes, because I do table for two tablescapes, and it's time to clean some of that stuff out because I don't need this much stuff. And let's see what we can do with the curio. Or been on my channel very long, you know I do a lot of tablescapes with, well, basically table for two. Do a lot of table for two. They drop on, most of the time I drop them on Tuesday. And so my hutch is overflowing. And I even have a commercial tote setting around the house, and my husband would like me to downsize. So I'm gonna start with this. I was gonna do a 50s theme in my kitchen when I moved here. It didn't happen, it went more to farmhouse, so that's gonna go. I bought these charger plates. I thought they were really pretty, and they would be really pretty with a table with another plate. I don't even see the plates, but anyway, with another plate, I thought these would be really pretty. And now I just don't like them. I have plates that color. I don't want those. And I have found out that I had 3 sets of red charger plates, so I'm gonna get rid of those. I have 3 silver, so I'm gonna get rid of those. Buy what you love, not just to do a video. That's what I've learned. I'm getting rid of this set of dishes because I don't love it. I'm also getting rid of these sets and just keeping 2 plates because some of those I never have company here. I live so far out and no family, so we don't have dinner parties. I just decorate as if I do. It's just me and my husband. So these I needed something for a fall video, so I picked these up at a thrift store, but I don't love them, so those are gone. Only buy what you love. I picked these up because they were my favorite color, but I always decorate turquoise and pink, and that's orange, so that doesn't work for me. These are more of the Christmas plates, only in the salad dishes. These are gonna go. I'm gonna have to get another box. These, I have sunflower dishes and I have bee dishes, so I don't need lemon. I can always use my sunflower. I picked these up and I found I have chinoiserie dishes, so I don't need those. I already had 2 and I picked up 2 more by accident. I picked these up and I thought, oh, pink. No, I got it home and compared it with my tablecloths, and it's a peach, and I didn't like it. I got 2 more of these. And for some reason, I only have 1 cup. So that's gonna go. These are gonna go. Let's see what else is down there that I can get rid of. These were down there holding up a bunch of space. I'm gonna get rid of these. And I think I'm even gonna get rid of these. I like them, but I have several different, I have a black and white 2 black and white and then the turquoise and rust fall dishes, so I really don't need those. And then these came with our house. The former owners left them. So I'm going to go through these and see how many of them I want to keep. Actually, the former owners left a lot at this house. We had a whole shed full of stuff. I'm going to keep 2 of these because they're different. And what does he say? Fall walk in the woods. This is harvest, October harvest. This one doesn't say anything. Those can go. October harvest. Okay, 2 with nothing, 2 with... Okay, I need a plain one. Then I'll get rid of all the rest. So I'm going to get rid of about 4 of these glasses. Gonna add these. I think I'm getting rid of these. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this casserole dish. It's really cute, but it's so small. And I'm also getting rid of those. Okay, here's a bunch of things I've also decluttered. I keep this box. I keep a box here in the hallway here. And when I find things in the kitchen or different places that it needs decluttered, I just add it to the box. And this is what we've got so far. It's nice to have a box or a basket that you can declutter as you go sometimes. We're going to go through my cookbooks. I'm terrible about collecting cookbooks. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to get rid of this one. I think I'm going to get rid of this one too. I don't think I've ever used anything out of it. But I think I'm going to get past that one along. And I'm going to pass this one along. I don't know how I got it. I never even went to Myrtle Beach. I may keep this one. I'm going to pass that along too. I'm going to keep this. Let's see what else we got in here. That's taking up a lot of space. I think I'm going to pass this one along. I'm going to pass that one along. that one is actually a decent cookbook, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to pass that one along too, because we're doing some heavy purging. I may keep this one. Instapot, I'm going to pass that along too. I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep that one or not. I'm going to put that aside because I'm not sure. I'll put these down in here with the keep ones. That one's definitely one I'm keeping. The Dutch oven one I'm going to get rid of. The Jiffy I'll keep. I might keep that one. That's one from our fire department back home. I'm keeping that one. I'm going to keep that one. I think I'm going to get rid of this one. Meals in the jar, I think I'm going to get rid of that too. I'm going to definitely keep my ball books. I'm going to keep that because I don't think I've ever even really looked at it. So these are definitely staples. This was a cookbook from the community I was raised. And I have the fire department and the school I was raised as cookbook. This was my mom's only cookbook she ever used, and I had to replace it because it's so bad. But I'm still going to keep this one. And I now have room in here, and it's down to just what's inside. Our bread, this was my grandmother's bread box. That's where I keep my cookbooks. It used to sit right there. And I moved it when I started doing vignettes.